Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error 0x80070643. This is a big number, and how we solve this. Okay, first of all, you just have to restart your system. Okay, restart your system, then you go to the search bar and look for services. Okay, services. Once you open, you just go to Windows Update. Once you open, you might wanna change from manual to automatic and apply and OK and start the service. Okay, after that, restart your system again. And the last thing you might want to do is go again to the search bar on your prompt command. Okay, open your prompt, and you may want to type all of these commands that I'm showing you right now on the screen. Okay, just type all these commands: netstop crypt, svc, netstop bits, all these things that I'm showing you right now. Okay, just type all these commands and press enter. You run, and you might want to restart your system again, and this should fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so very much for watching. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.